Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word imploring. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He gazed at her with imploring eyes, hoping she would forgive him for his mistake. Imploring means to plead or beg earnestly, often using gestures or expressions, to convey a strong sense of urgency or desperation in obtaining something. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.